What's up for another bang video? Today I'm gonna show you my whole base in steel brain rot. And you know why the brain rots I have currently, the brain rot gods, are supposed to have 2 more Trenons resolve last bit? Because I give away that Trenons resolve to my friend and another subscriber. And I'm gonna show you my base. First, this guy, Reynolds Brutso Turbo 3000. And second, Giraffa Celestre. Third, Paklamat Mamat. Fourth, Gatino Nyanino. Fifth, Los Bombonitos. Okay, let's go to my secret base. I mean secret floor. Look guys. First, la Carcar Combinación, Los Tralalitos, La Cucaracha, Chachechi, La Vaca Saturnita, Los Tralalitos, Jab sa huli. That's my base guys. Bye!